Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Polymorphism can be tricky, but we will solve this Java inheritance problem in under a minute. Let's find out what actually prints on the screen. First, notice that our object is declared as class A but instantiated as class B. This means the actual object type at runtime is class B, which is super important. Next, we call showValue. Since class B does not have its own showValue method, it uses the inherited version from class A. This method calls getValue to find the string. Dynamic method binding uses the actual object type. It runs the class B version of value, returning the letter B for the output. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Always trust the given code and check your steps.